Hello, Chef here with something unique for you. I don't know if you've seen this before. This is a hybrid orange. This one is called a Cara Cara, and they come from South America and California. They grow them all over the place. It's kind of a cross between a blood orange and a large navel orange. I'm going to show you how to utilize several different parts of this orange. The first thing I'm going to do is use a zester, and I'm going to zest this orange and use the zest for something else. So for that, we start and go straight down like this and just repeat the process all the way around, removing as much of the outer zest as you'd like. This can be used for cookies and cakes and other recipes. I use it for something else sometimes too. But anyway, here we go. That orange is now fully zested. Smells really, really good. Next step. My zest looking really, really good. Smells amazing. Now I'm using a Japanese knife. This is a Kasumi titanium, non-stick, and I'm going to cut off the top, and I'm going to cut off the bottom, just like that. Now if there's a little bit of juice and fruit in the bottom, quite often I'll cut this in half, and I'll let these dry out to be utilized with a tea. Release a lot more flavor and oils and a little bit of juice there as well. Okay, so then the next step is we're going to go around the orange with the knife, and I start with removing all this extra pith and all the peel, just like this. Okay, this particular orange has a lot of pith. The grower can't control the amount of pith sometimes, so that's what you get. There's a lot of pith there. We need to get through that pith. But anyway, I wanted to show you this. I'll be saving this and utilizing this in something as well. Sometimes I take the peel and I make a garnish with it and use it for different seafoods or things I'm serving, kind of like this. Just kind of a nice fish or leaf looking garnish. It's just pretty cool. Doesn't take a lot of effort. Takes a very sharp knife and a little bit of practice, and then you're going to get a pretty cool looking result out of this that can be used for all kinds of garnishing on different plates. Okay, we're going to continue to remove the pith right down to the fruit now, trying our best not to waste any of the fruit. Clean. I'm going to show you how to supreme this orange next. Okay, to supreme the orange, you want to use a sharp knife and go in between and get each segment like this, as much of it as you can, and drop it into a bowl, a glass, or a dish. And right there we have a perfectly supremed orange. Right there. 1, 2, 3. This is done in fine dining. Lots of restaurants, can be used for many different things. I'll be right back as we finish this up. Okay, the orange has now been supremed. There's all my perfect pieces right there. I'm going to finish with the juicing. Juice whatever's left here, get as much of this off as I can. It's actually quite a bit here. I would say there's more than 1 cup of juice and fruit. Looking really, really good. Another cool thing about these Japanese knives, you can get right up underneath and remove all of the pith very, very carefully. Okay, then you can take this and add further to the garnish, maybe like this. And this could be used with shrimp scampi or coquille Saint-Jacques or something like that. Incorporate a little bit of this flavorful outer zest portion into your seafood dish. Okay, the Cara Cara oranges are quite tasty. Seek them out. I'm gonna plate this up here real quick. Wanted to show you my Seosaku gold leaf plate that was given to me from Japan. I really, really like it. It's a beautiful platter for display and for serving. And if you get a chance, check them out. Seosaku from Japan. This one here has gold and silver embossed right into the lacquered finish. Really, really beautiful. Got my Cara Cara orange, putting just a touch of zest on top, and I will be enjoying that. I'm going to put a touch of zest right here and right here. Hard to believe that was all from one orange. Like I said, I've had these before. Do a quick tasting. A little orange, a little juice, a little zest. Oh, wow. So good. With yet another review and some interesting information for you. Some tips that are going to help you in the kitchen. They're going to help you greatly. Oh, what do we have here? Wow. This is a massive American black walnut end grain cutting board. It's looking really good. You can see that. Really, really nice. Really, really nice. A few things about this. This is harvested from sustainably renewable forestry. This is the best quality block you can buy if you want to have a walnut. An end grain is maybe easier on the knife. It makes an interesting sound when the knife's cutting and chopping and rocking back and forth. A lot of chefs prefer it. It's really cool. It's also aesthetically pleasing. Visually, wow, really, really nice. So if you're looking to upgrade and move up to something like this, super high quality, I recommend you check out the sponsor right there. They got these babies in stock. They get them to you quick. Sometimes they're made to order. There's all different sizes. Anyway, a few things I want to move on here and give you a couple of tips. So people have often asked me, Chef, what about feet on a cutting board? Well, it makes sense. If your cutting board's going to slide or wiggle around on your surface, especially if you have granite or marble or stone or all these different synthetics, and sometimes the cutting board wiggles and slides while you're using it. You've seen it. It gets dangerous. That's where I recommend checking out the sponsor. They got this exclusive on these custom rubber feet. These are about 2 inches diameter and they're about 3/4 of an inch thick. They're going to do a few things for you. They're going to give you clearance. I'll put a few under here right now for you. They're going to give you clearance. They're going to make it non-slip, and they're also going to let the humidity, the moisture, and the air flow around your cutting board. There you go. Nice air gap there. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah. So you can caulk these on one side. You can just set them on like I did. You know, we've had people use screws or nails or attach them that way. However, whatever you want to do. But the main thing is the air gap. It's nice. I like it. This cutting board, by the way, is reversible. You can easily pick it up, flip it over, use the other side. And wow. really nice. Should last you easily a lifetime if you take care of it. Keep it out of the sink, oil it regularly, and it's going to be good. A couple more tips for you here. Let's see, what do I got? I got the board cream, and I got the mystery oil. 2 products you should have in your kitchen with the best block. Yeah, I'll be back with more. Subscribe right here. Check out more on this channel. Learn all kinds of expert cooking tips and tricks from certified chefs. We've got all kinds of chefs visiting, coming and going on this channel.